Yo, buddy, grab your imaginary coffee because we're about to dive deep. Remember when I was broke as a joke? Like ramen for dinner again? Broke. Yeah. Then I stumbled on this wild truth. Your brain is literally a money-making machine if you reprogram it right. Here's how it went down for me. I used to chase cash like a dog chasing cars, exhausting and pointless. Then I met this neuroscientist at a conference. Total genius, lab coat and all. She dropped one line that changed everything. Wealthy brains don't find opportunities. They build them like Legos. So I tried her 3-step brain hack. And holy crap, within 6 months, I hit my first $10,000 month. Here's exactly how you can do it too. Step 1. The money mirror trick. Every dang morning, I'd stare in the mirror and say, I'm a frickin' magnet for $10,000 months. Felt stupid? Hell yes. But science says this physical ritual fires up your reticular activating system. Fancy term for your brain's focus filter. Suddenly, opportunities I'd walked past for years became obvious. Step 2. Play pretend. Seriously, before bed, I'd close my eyes and feel crisp bills in my hands, smell that new car leather, hear my mom crying happy tears when I paid off her debt. Your brain can't tell real from imagined. Do this daily and it rewires your wiring, making wealth feel inevitable, not impossible. Step 3. The 1% hustle habit. Here's where most fail. They dream big but act small. So I ask myself daily, what's one tiny thing I can do today to get 1% closer? Sometimes it was just messaging a potential client or learning about crypto for 10 minutes. Small actions plus brain training equals compound explosion. Fast forward 2 years, I'm not Elon Musk, but I'm debt-free, traveling Bali while working, and helping my squad level up. Your brain's already the most powerful tool you own. Stop letting it sabotage you. Biggest secret? Money isn't about luck. It's about convincing your dumb lizard brain that you're already the person who earns it. If this clicked for you like it did for me, smash subscribe. I drop life-changing brain hacks every week. Zero fluff, only real talk. Join my Patreon fam, link below. You'll get early videos, exclusive Q&As, and honestly, you'll be my damn hero. Every coffee you buy me fuels more free content that actually helps people escape the rat race. Seriously, thank you. Because of legends like you, I get to wake up and do this every day. Now go train that beautiful brain and go make that paper.